How to remove courses in Duolingo. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to show you a quick and an easy way to remove courses in the Duolingo application using your smartphone or tablets. If you are learning multiple languages on Duolingo, sometimes you might want to remove a course you are no longer studying. So in that case, first of all, launch Open Duolingo app on your phone or tablet and make sure you are logged into your account. From the home page of Duolingo, go to the bottom and tap the three dots. Now click on Profile from the bottom menu. Under Profile, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Under the Accounts tab, click on Courses. You'll be able to see the Manage Courses page on the next page. Go ahead and find the language you want to remove or the course you want to remove and tap the Remove button right next to it. Now click the Remove button at the bottom again to confirm, and the course will be removed from the courses list. It will not affect any other courses that you are learning but the one that you've selected. So there you have it. That is how you can easily delete or remove a course you no longer study in Duolingo. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.